Hello, if you need an app, can help you add frames to the image. To make the image more vivid, go to the application that adds frames to images by Simpy Software. We'll open the app first. In this application, we'll include two options. The first option is to add a simple frame to the image, and the second option is to add preset frames to the image. So first, we're going to go to the first option. Click on the Choose Photo button. Next, you will select the images that need to be added. You can move between pictures by clicking on the icon of the picture. In this mode, by default, a frame the size of a pixel has been added to the image. You can change the size of this frame by dragging the size slider. You can change the color of the frame. Or you can also change the composition of the frame is a square or a circle. In this editing mode, we'll edit simultaneously the photos that you have selected. You can move the image in the frame by touching a finger on the image and moving. Or you can zoom in or zoom in by stretching or shrinking to fingers. Or you can also rotate the image by rotating to fingers at the same time in the photo. The editing mode will perform on the entire selected image. After you're done, you can share your photos by clicking on the Share icon. You can save these photos to your phone's memory by clicking on the tick. And to return to the main menu, you will click the Close icon. Next, we're going to go to Option 2. It's choosing the available frames. There are many themes to choose from. We're going to come to the theme symbol, which is love. After you've selected your favorite frame, you will click on the Add Photo button. You can also change the photo, or you can download photos to your phone's memory, or share it to other apps. It also has functions such as enlarge or shrink the image, rotate photo, or move the image. And we're going to come to another topic, which is simplicity. So I have introduced the full features of the application to you. Hope the application will get the love from you.